Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to record cashback rewards in QuickBooks Online. If you've been earning rewards from your business credit card, it's important to track them properly so your books stay accurate and you can see exactly how much you're earning back each month. Let's start by clicking on the plus new button, which you'll find on the left navigation bar of your QuickBooks dashboard. This button is your gateway to creating all kinds of transactions in QuickBooks. Once you click it, a menu will pop up with various options organized by category. From this menu, look under the vendor section and select credit card credit. This transaction type is specifically designed for when you're receiving credits or refunds to your credit card account, which is exactly what cashback rewards are. It ensures the transaction is recorded correctly and reduces your credit card balance appropriately. Next, you'll see a field labeled credit or bank account. Click the drop-down menu here and select the credit card account where you received the cash back. For example, if you're tracking rewards on your Seattle Bean Company business credit card, you'd select that account from the list. This step links the transaction to the correct credit card. Now we need to categorize this transaction. In the category field, select the income account where you want to track your cashback rewards. If you run a coffee shop, you might create an account called Coffee Ground Cashback Rewards to keep these earnings separate and easy to track. If you don't have this account set up yet, you can create one quickly by clicking the drop-down and selecting Add New. In the Amount field, type in the exact amount of cash back you received. For instance, if you earned $40 in rewards this month, type 40 inches here. This number should match what you see on your credit card statement. For better record keeping, you can add a note in the memo field. Something like monthly business card cashback minus November helps you quickly identify this transaction later when reviewing your books or preparing reports. Before saving, double-check that the date field shows the actual date you received the cashback reward. This might be the statement closing date or when the reward posted to your account. Accurate dating keeps your financial reports reliable. Finally, click Save and Close to record the transaction. QuickBooks will now reduce your credit card balance by the cashback amount and record it as income in your chosen category. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.